జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 5th చాప్టర్ కర్మ సన్యాస యోగం 8th శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ గివింగ్ హిజ్ టీచింగ్స్ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ us including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, karma yogi, the one who performs nishkama karma, he has a clear understanding about Atma and Shariram. With that knowledge, he will be involved in every activity. With Jnanendriyas, he will be seeing the things, he will be listening to the things, he will be touching the things, he will be smelling the things, he will be tasting the things. These are all activities done by Jnanendriyas. Now with his Karmendriyas, he will be walking, he will be sleeping. And with Pranam, he will be breathing. All these activities he will be doing, but thinking that because I am in this body is equipped with all these indriyas. These indriyas supposed to be functioning. I should not be going against to this original function. He will think like that. And also he thinks in such a way, I am in this body has all these indriyas, and I am in this world. These indriyas supposed to be going towards the objects related to that particular indriyam in this world. This is all very natural functioning. It has to be done as it is. I should not go against it. All that I have to do is make sure my travel through this body is utilized to the best extent in a proper way. This is how the karma yogi thinks, and with his manas he will be attached to the Atma. Arjuna, the karma yogi lifestyle will be like this. If a karma yogi leads this kind of life, though he is doing all these activities, he is merely an equivalent to the one who is not doing any activity. To that extent, no karma will be causing any bondage to this karma yogi. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma helping us understand how to lead our life. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, while trying to practice Krishna Paramatma's teachings, let us repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Naiva kinchit karomiti yukto manyeta tattvavit pasyan srunvan sprusan jighran asnan gachan swapan svesan. Om. As an essence of entire Srimad Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your activities as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging, and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now, let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading your Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Sriman Narayana's avatarams to Narada Maharshi, saying that, O Narada, when Paramatma came down as Sri Krishna, when Sri Krishna was about 7 years old, in that Nandavraj, all the Gopalas, every year they used to do one yajna for Indra. But that year, Krishna Paramatma stopped all the Gopalas performing that yajna for Indra. And Krishna Paramatma made all those Gopalas offer entire of those offerings to one of the mountain called Govardhanam. At that time, when Krishna Paramatma diverted all the offerings of Indra to Govardhana mountain, Indra got very much upset and angry. Utsavamu Harimanpina Gopavarulu Kavimpakunna Balaripudu Alugan. Indra got very much angry, and then Deve Abhivarshati. He showered such a huge amount of rain, which is also filled up with so many stones. O Narada, at that time, Sri Krishna Paramatma Sapta Dinani Sapta Varshaha. He is 7 years old, and he lifted Govardhana mountain and lifted with one hand, kept on one finger that entire mountain for 7 days long, and he గోగోపాలకవ్రాతమున్ సప్తాంబోధిపరీతభూధరునకు ఆశ్చర్యంబే చింతింపగన్. He invited all the Gopalas, cows, entire people of that Vrajam, that village. He kept all of them under that Govardhana mountain for 7 days, while he is holding that mountain on his finger, and he did not even got tired. Anagha, he did not get tired, and he did not even move for one place to other place. Like that, O Narada, while keeping that mountain on his finger for 7 days, he protected all of them very well. He was just 7 years old at that time. O Narada, that is very miraculous activity. That is a wonderful activity in which Paramatma has shown entire of his effulgence. So who else can do these kind of activities, Narada? Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Krishna Paramatma's Vaibhavam to Narada Maharshi. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. శత్రుచ్ఛేదైకమంత్రం సకలముపనిషద్వాక్య సంపూజ్య మంత్రం సంసారోత్తారమంత్రం సముపచితతమస్సంఘ నిర్యాణమంత్రం సర్వ ఐశ్వర్యైకమంత్రం వ్యసనభుజగసందష్టసంత్రాణమంత్రం జిహ్వే శ్రీకృష్ణమంత్రం జప జప సతతం జన్మసాఫల్యమంత్రం. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణే నామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం. హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 5th chapter 8th శ్లోక. నైవ కించిత్ కరోమీతి యుక్తో మన్యేత తత్వవిత్ పశ్యన్ శృణ్వన్ స్పృశన్ జిఘ్రన్ అస్నన్ గచ్చన్ స్వపన్ స్వసన్. నైవ కించిత్ కరోమీతి యుక్తో మన్యేత తత్వవిత్ పశ్యన్ శృణ్వన్ స్పృశన్ జిఘ్రన్ అస్నన్ గచ్చన్ స్వపన్ స్వసన్. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.